Hi, Andrew Yamokowski, owner of Heartland Credit Restoration. You're a loan officer, you're a real estate agent. You meet tons of people that you're either trying to sell a home to or provide home loan servicing for to be able to provide the loan. But you meet a lot of people that inevitably aren't ready because of credit reasons. Maybe they just don't qualify, and inevitably you have to decline them, which isn't very fun. Well, imagine if you had a credit expert from Heartland Credit sitting in your office, and every file that you declined, you simply said, "Hey, I'm very sorry that I had to decline you today, but let's go over to the corner of my office here and introduce you to my credit expert." What they're going to do is spend some time going through your credit with you line by line to help you formulate a plan of action to get your credit moving in the right direction so that I can get you approved instead of declining you. Okay? A lot of times real estate agents are going to meet people at an open house, and the first question you ask them, "Hey, are you pre-approved?" And they say, "No, I don't have very good credit." Well, again, imagine if you had a credit expert telemarketer right in your office, and they would be willing to spend exorbitant amount of time with your client laying out a plan for free to determine whether or not this is going to be a good fit for them and the direction and the steps that would need to be taken to rehabilitate credit and get them in a position to qualify. I bet you'd want to introduce almost every client you've ever met to that person, wouldn't you? Well, guess what? We're here for you, except we're not in your office. Kathy or my staff or myself are more than happy to be that marketer for you, that telemarketer for you, that extension for you, that working partner for you that is going to take the clients that you've met, that you've established a relationship, that you put energy into, but haven't been able to have a return on investment because their credit isn't worthy or at the level it needs to be qualified for either the purchase of the property or the qualification for the loan. All I'm asking you to do is to introduce Heartland. We are your credit telemarketer, except you never pay a penny as a loan officer or a real estate agent for our services. All we ask for you to do is to give us the best compliment you could, which is to give us an inclusion into your referral to try to improve their conditions so that you can sell your services after we're done. In the last 13 years at Heartland, we have turned around over $5 billion worth of home lending. We have helped folks that you've had to decline, help them get on a plan and path through a review and through a process called credit restoration to where we can improve them to the needs and standards that you need to get them back to you so you can make more money on every client, every time. We'd love to help. We'd love to be your credit telemarketer.